This little hub should be able to transfer data from A to B pretty fast. It has 4 USB 3.0s and 1 outlet USB 3.0. So in theory, anything you plug into it, providing it has fast transfers, i.e. it has to have 3.0 as well, it should be able to transfer data from A to B quite rapidly. I am going to test it now with some of my memory sticks, these little babies here. Just going to plug them all in, and we're going to test how quick this can transfer data from A to B. I'll plug that in now, I think. Like so. And if you're plugging it into a PC, which I am, it should recognise it straight away. And you just plug in. Voila, it's up and ready. Let me just quickly show you on the screen. Right, so let's give a quick test in. So I'm going to copy these little videos over, and they should just copy over just fine. There shouldn't be no issues. It should go about 148 megabits per second, something like that. Fingers crossed it should just work. So copy paste, there we go, there's one. 146, 47, 148, sitting 150. So average is about 148, and it's saying it's going to take 1 hour, but looking at that, it's not going to take 1 hour. That is pretty rapid. So yeah, it works fine, no issues with that whatsoever. Like I said, I didn't expect it to be. It feels well made actually. It feels like metal. I think that is metal, and that will help to keep it cool as well. Yeah, very nice. Transfer rate is spot on, exactly what I would expect, without a doubt. Job done. That was done. So that was really easy. I wouldn't expect it to be anything else. It does exactly what it says. It's made of metal actually. It feels like metal. Might be wrong. Yeah, I think that is metal. Yeah, well made. Does exactly what I expect it to do, and it just works. It's just plug and play, which is what you want. So if you're looking for a device where it plugs in more than 3 USBs at any one time, this could be the baby for you. Yeah, I can't say no more about it. Gives my thumbs up. So with that, I hope it helps you to decide whether or not you want to buy one.